Okay, this is the first dog we're going to show you, and her name is Faye. Faye is 3.5 years old. She's a Westie Shih Tzu mix, active and bouncy and playful and absolutely adorable. She loves to go on adventures. She walks well on a leash, though she's pulling desperately now because she really wants to check us out. She knows sit and down and takes treats gently. She's good with cats. Loves to play with plush or squeaky toys. They said older children, please, and to a calmer household with not a lot of guests. I don't know why not a lot of guests, but a calmer household because she gets wired real quick and she'll run around and she'll bounce and but she is so cute. This is a cute little ball of fluff that loves everybody, loves to play, loves to be out of her cage, and doesn't stop bouncing for a minute. You're just too cute, sweet girl. And this is Faye. She's waiting for a home here at Save a Pet. The dog you're looking at now is Yahtzee. Yahtzee is a neutered male. He's about a year old. They're guessing he's a Keeshond Husky mix. And I can't guarantee that he's too terribly well housebroken. Very friendly, very playful, lots of energy, loves to run in the snow. He loves rope toys. He knows sit, paw, and up. Loves to sit on you if you're sitting on the couch. He may need a little housebreaking and a little training, but he's a very smart fellow and he wants to learn. And more than anything else, what he wants to do is please you. Hello, handsome. And he's got more kisses per inch than any dog you'd ever want to be around. Now, this guy will shed. There is no question. This is going to be a shedding dog, and he's going to need some brushing and some grooming. But he is gorgeous. He is sweet. He is friendly. He is outgoing. He doesn't want to sit. He wants to play. Sit. Yeah, come on. Sure. Yeah, he knows you have a treat in your hand. So if you're looking for a big, bouncy, beautiful northern breed dog, and he is absolutely gorgeous, take a look at Yahtzee. The dog you're looking at now is Mitch. Mitch is a 5-year-old shepherd mix. Very sweet, very laid back, very calm, but he does have fairly severe arthritis. Shorter whacks are better for him. He loves to wander around. He loves to be petted. He knows sit, but he is hesitant to sit because of the arthritis and because his hips hurt. And he's just had some tests, so you can see that he's been shaved and, had a window shaved over there, which looks like an ultrasound window. And I don't know exactly why, but they will tell you for sure. He is terribly sweet, terribly calm, and very laid back. Now, this is a dog with moderate to severe arthritis who is living on a cold concrete floor, and although they pad for him, it's not the same as a carpeted living room. He needs to get out of here. He needs to get into a home where he can be warm and it's soft, and he can get all the loving he wants, because all Mitch wants is to be petted and loved. He is beautiful. He is very sweet. He's going to need some care. But look at that loving face. You can see the love in that dog's eyes. It's just mind-boggling. All he says is, pet me, take me home. This is Mitch. You're looking at Amadeus, who is a Great Pyrenees Collie mix. 3 years old, neutered male. Loves attention. And this is a dog with a verbal paw. You stop petting him and the paw is out, sticking out, grabbing you and saying, hey, you're falling behind on your job. He wants to be petted all the time. He rolls over to have his belly rubbed. Great with kids, maybe a little shy with new people, but once he gets to know you, he is absolutely wonderful. And he's also good with cats. He is silly and playful, and he loves his toys. See if I can get him. Oh, he's Amadeus. Day. Hey, Day. Yes, hello. Oh, yes. See, there's that paw. This is a super sweet, friendly, absolutely amazingly marked, beautiful dog. He's got freckles on his feet and tan on his face, and that paw is always with you. This is Amadeus, and if you're looking for a big, fuzzy guy who only wants loving all of the time, you need to look at Amadeus. The dog you're looking at now is Dewey. Dewey is a neutered male. He's a 6-year-old Havanese mix. Friendly and outgoing with most people. Loves to play with tennis balls or any toy he can get his little mouth on. He knows speak. He gets along with other dogs. And And they say he may need some house training. And if they say he may need some house training, the chances are he does need some house training. But he is absolutely darling, active, playful, friendly, outgoing, and has one of the cutest faces I've seen in years. This guy is absolutely darling. If you're looking for a little one, and you're looking for a little one that's not shy, but is playful and outgoing and will do great with absolutely anybody, Dewey is definitely your man. Would you like to speak? Would you like to speak? No, I guess not. We tried. This is Dewey. The dog you're looking at now is Natisha, who is a spayed female Malamute, Alaskan Malamute. She is a wolf gray. She is 7.5 years old. She'll carry on a conversation with you. If you ask her a question, she will yowl back, as many Malamutes do. And she'll carry on a conversation for as long as you keep asking her questions. Hey, Tish. Tish, how are you? How are you, sweet girl? No, she's not going to do it now, of course, because she's too excited. But she does. She'll carry. She howls. There you go. See, you ask her a question. Oh, yeah. I don't know if she's telling you how she is or telling you she knows you got a treat in your pocket. But she knows sit, paw, down, and roll over. She should be the only pet in the house, and obviously she's big enough to fill the house as it is. And she loves attention, and she loves to be petted, and she loves to walk, and she's very, very sweet. Now, she is not young, but I believe the life expectancy for males is 12 to 13 years. My male lived 13 and was healthy all the way through till the very, very end. And oh, yeah, give me a treat. And she'll tell you all about it. This dog will tell you stories. Very, very beautiful, very sweet, very wonderful Malamute, and her name is Natisha. This is Rockstrom. Rockstrom is a 4-year-old Dachshund Chihuahua mix. He is a neutered male. He is a terrific watchdog. He will bark and bark to tell you if there's somebody at your door. And then he'll welcome them with great sniffs and great loving. He loves to have his tummy rubbed and just get attention. He knows sit, but he can be a little bit stubborn about sitting. Good with cats. He's not so sure about dogs. So if you've got cats in the house and you're looking for a little addition, he's smaller than most of your cats. And he is an absolutely terrific, well-trained beggar. If he thinks there are treats in the neighborhood, he will be easy to train to do whatever you want him to do because he's so very pet-motivated and treat-motivated. He is as cute as any dog can be. He is a happy dancer. He's absolutely adorable, and his name is Rockstrom. This is the last dog we're going to show you today. This is our special needs dog, and her name is Glory. She is a 7-year-old collie mix. She is absolutely terrified. She's heartworm positive, shy with new people, but once you get to know her, her personality comes out, and she is very, very loving. She wants to run and jump and play. I don't know if she's going to come near us. She's going to get a ride. Oh, come on. This is what happens when you're terrified. She doesn't understand shelter. She doesn't understand why she's not in a home. She doesn't understand that terrifying camera. She doesn't understand all the scary. Her name is Glory, and she would glory to be out of here. She has to go to a home where she's not permitted to run or jump or play or be wild until her heartworm treatment is over, and then she can be treated like a real dog. She is incredibly dear and sweet, and what I'd like to point out to you is that as frightened as this dog is, you see no baring of teeth, you see no aggression, you just see a dog who wants to turn and run and hide. She is terribly sweet and very, very scared and desperately in need of someone to get her the heck out of here. Take care of her till her heartworm is all gone, and then just love her, because that's all she wants. Tail between her legs and eyes rolled back. All this dog wants is someone to love. Her name is Glory. Save a Pet is loaded with lovely and loving dogs and cats. They even have some kittens. At present, no puppies, but God only knows they can come. We just don't know when. Big dogs, little dogs, Cats of every size, shape, and color. Every one of them lives for one thing and one thing only. Every one of them lives for the chance that one day they'll have a forever home. And the only way that will happen is if you come out and adopt. So please, if you have room in your house, if you have room in your heart, come out, adopt a special friend.